Are you tired of Windows slowing you down? Imagine having the power and speed of Linux right inside your Windows 11 PC. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Linux on Windows 11 step by step, the easy way. First, open your Windows search bar and type Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on it, then scroll down until you find Windows Subsystem for Linux and Virtual Machine Platform. Check both boxes and click OK. Windows will start installing the required features, and after that, you'll need to restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, open the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Ubuntu. You can pick any version you like. Ubuntu 22.04 is a great choice. Click Get or Install and wait for it to download. When the installation finishes, open Ubuntu from the Start menu. A terminal window will pop up, and it'll take a few minutes to set things up. Once it asks for a username and password, type your new Linux credentials. Congratulations, you now have Linux running directly inside Windows 11.